Good morning, Rax. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, which I don't know if it's ironically or fittingly, today is World Health Day. And we obviously want our health. Let's go through the stuff. Oh, that's a picture of Rob Riggle in 21 Jump Street. I figure I have his jacket on today. Three big things. Masks and gloves have been recommended now in Monroe County. If you go outside, you should have one on. Cover up. You may have heard yesterday regents are canceled, and more info is going to be coming on what exactly that means. Remember, we are out of school until April 29th. After that point, though, if we keep things going, we may be back in session. So stay tuned to that. But regents, as of right now, are canceled. What that means, we're going to find out this week. And the marking period, again, ends this weekend, April 10th or sooner. So get your work done. The only birthday I know of was Jackie Chan. That's about all I got for today. Your weather's going to be beautiful, 56, partly sunny, winds variable out of the west-southwest at 7 to 10 miles per hour. Have a great day, Rax.